Now let's take another example. 799. We need to calculate the unit digit of the square of 799. Again, we need to observe this 9. Okay. You need to calculate unit digit of square of 799. Unit digit of 799, square of 799. Now again check the unit digit of this number. What is the unit digit of this number? 9. So you need to calculate the unit digit of square of 9. What is the square of 9? 81. So 1 is the unit digit. So the answer is unit digit of 799 square is equals to 1. Any doubt? No need to multiply, no need to square 799. I mean, don't do like this, 799 into 799. Okay, and why I am choosing this 9 only? The logic behind is 9 nines are 81 unit digit. That's why I am just observing, I am just taking this, I am just considering the unit digit of this number, square of this unit digit of this number, square of this unit digit of this number will give me the unit digit. Okay, so square of 799 unit digit is equals to 1. Now another example of your exercise 3853. Unit digit of the square of 3853 is equals to, see, unit digit of square of 3853. Okay, so what is 3 is the unit digit of this number 3853. So what I will do, square of 3 is equals to 9. So the unit digit is 9. So the unit digit of 3853 square is equals to 9. Please note it down fast. I hope this thing is clear to you that how to calculate unit digit of any number. Okay. Now the other two examples are unit digit of square of 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit digit of square of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the unit digit? 4 is the unit digit of this number. So you need to calculate the square of 4. What is the square of 4? 16. So the unit digit is 6. So the unit digit of 1, 2, 3, 4 whole square is equals to 6. So 6 is your answer. So the unit digit is 6. Is this clear to you all? Unit digit of 1, 2, 3, 4, square of 1, 2, 3, 4 is equals to 6. So the answer is 6. Similarly, square of unit digit of the square of 26387. Unit digit of square of 26387. Now, what is the unit digit here? 7. So 7 square. 7 sevens are 49. Now ultimately the unit digit is equals to 9. So the unit digit of square of 26387 square is 9. So 9 is the answer. So this is how you calculate unit digit of square of any number. Okay. Note it down fast. Now, square of unit digit of square of 52698. What is the unit digit? Here is 8. So square of 8 is equals to 64. So 4 is your answer. So the unit digit of 52698 is 4. So the answer is 4. Similarly, unit digit of square of 99880. Now see, this is 0 here. 0 in the unit place. Now square of 0 is equals to 0. So 0 square will give you 0. That means unit digit of square of 99880 is equals to 0. I hope these examples are sufficient enough to understand how to get unit digit of square of a number. Okay. And students, if you have any doubt, you people are free to ask me in the online meeting, online Google Meet. Okay. But before that, this is must to watch these videos, submit your worksheets. Okay. And attend your Zoom session. Then only you can ask your doubts and queries. Now note it out first so that I'll rub this part. Now the last two examples of the same type, unit digit of square of 12796 square of, so the unit digit of square of 12796 is, see the unit digit is 6 here. So square of 6 will give you 36, right? So 6 is the unit digit. So 6 is your answer. Okay? So 6 is your answer. So the unit digit of square of 12796 is equals to 6. Okay? Now the next is 55555. Okay? 55,555, the square unit digit of square of 5555 square. Now the unit digit is 5, so 5 square is equals to 25. Now this 5 is your answer, so the unit digit of 5555 is equals to 5. Note it down fast. I hope these are these examples are sufficient to understand this concept, right? Now see this thing again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 10 square of 10 is 0, no problem. So square. Let's say 0 भी मैं यहीं लिख देता हूँ. 0 square. I hope this thing is visible on the screen also. So square of 1 is 1 4 9. So these are the unit digits. Okay. So these are the unit digits. 1 4 9 6 is the unit digit, 5 is the unit digit, 6 again is the unit digit. Okay, 7 7 is 49, 9 is the unit digit, 8 8 is 64, again 9 9 is 81 and 0. So these are the unit digits, right? So 1 is here. That means square of 5 always give you 5, square of 6 always give you 6, square of 0 always give you 0. Now that means, so what conclusion you can draw from here is, if a number is a square of some any other number, that means it must have either it has 1 4 9 6 5 and 0 as a unit digit. For a number to be a square of any other number, its unit digit must be 1 or 4 or 9 or 6 or 5 or 0. What else if the unit digit is equals to 2, 3, 7 and 8. What else if the unit digit of a number is 2, 3, 7, 8? Then those numbers will not be square of any other number. क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ बेटा? मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि अगर कोई भी नंबर किसी का स्क्वायर है, ओके, अगर मैंने कहा जैसे मैंने कहा 3 का स्क्वायर 9 होता है तो 9 आपको यूनिट डिजिट मिला, दैट मीन्स जिस किसी नंबर के यूनिट डिजिट में आपको 149650 मिल रहा है दैट मीन्स वो किसी ना किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर है। बट अगर किसी के यूनिट डिजिट में आपको मिल रहा है बेटा 2, 3, 7 और 8 दैट मीन्स वो किसी का भी स्क्वायर नहीं है। इसके कुछ मैं एग्जांपल्स आपके साथ शेयर करता हूँ। बिफोर दैट नोट इट आउट फास्ट। So these are some observations and these are not directly available on your book, so please note it down fast, okay? So if a number has these values as its unit digit, then it will be a square of any other number. But if a unit digit of a number has 2, 3, 7 or 8, then it will not be a square of any other number, okay? Note it down fast. This is a general statement, students, that a given number is not a perfect square Now there are two conditions. If the unit digits are 2, 3, 7 or 8, and the second condition is if the unit digit are 2, 3, 7 or 8 and if it has odd number of zeros. Now how, for explaining this statement, I'll give you some examples. This is question number 2 of your exercise 6.6. The following numbers are obviously not perfect square. Numbers perfectly not numbers which are not perfectly which are not perfect squares, numbers not perfect squares, okay, not perfect squares. So I am giving you some examples here. These are not the perfect squares, and what is the reason behind this? Squares. Like question number 2 of your exercise 6.1, first is 1057. First option is 1057. Unit digit. 7 is in the unit digit. If 7 is in the unit digit, this number cannot be a square of any number. This is not a perfect square. We can see just observing this unit digit. The unit digit has 7, so we can directly say this is not a perfect square. Because 7 is in the unit place. 7 is in the unit place, so you can say 1057 is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square, okay? This is not a perfect square. Note it down fast. So for a number to be a perfect square, digits must not include 2, 3, 7 and 8 in the unit place, okay? And unit must not have odd number of zeros. सो बेटा अगर आपके पास एक गिवन नंबर है, आपको ये देखना है कि आपको ये चेक करना है वेदर द गिवन नंबर इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर और नॉट। सो अगर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होगा बेटा कोई नंबर, सो उसकी यूनिट प्लेस में आपको 2, 3, 7 और 8 नहीं मिलेगा। इन केस अगर आपको 0 मिलता है और 0 भी अगर ऑड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स आपको मिलता है दैट मीन्स वो भी नहीं होगा बेटा, ठीक है? नोट इट डाउन फास्ट, देन आई विल गिव यू सम मोर एग्जांपल बेस्ड ऑन द सेम। Okay, let's take one more example. 8 part 505050. This number again not a perfect square. The reason is it has odd number of zeros, right? So odd number of zeros. So you will write odd number of zeros. So आप क्या कहेंगे? That this is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square, okay? So this is all about squares and how to check a number, whether a given number is a perfect square or not. So there are some conditions, there are some rules. Based on that you can say, okay sir, this number is a perfect square, okay sir, this number is not a perfect square. Okay, so this is all about square and square roots. Though still a good portion of square root is still left, that I'll cover in the next lecture. But before that, you all need to watch this video, submit your worksheet, attend your Zoom sessions. Okay, please note it down fast. This is all for the day. Okay students, thank you.